Coach Julio, and I'm going to show you a super wide hip hinge, and it always reminds me of Gymnast when I do this. So we're going to target the hamstrings from the proximal attachment. What you want is to go wider than your shoulders. You want a wall behind you. As I showed you in the previous videos, we're going to do different arm positions. So the first one is going to be your hands in front of your hips. Pull back your shoulder blades. My hip hinges. I look down, I lean forward, 3, 2, 1 is the tempo, then I come back. After every repetition, I want you to go wider. So repetition 2, hip hinge, navel sucked in, reaching back, my back is flat. I never want for this exercise, just for this one, your shoulders to go below your hips, then your spine's going to round. So again, I have to go wider. I'm not going to go any wider than this. Your knees may be soft too. Pull back, inhale. Why is this important? And I will tell you when I come back up. I'm now not only getting your hamstrings, I'm also getting your adductors. So that's part 1. Level 2 is your arm. We're going to change your hands to a prayer position, and you can also have a dumbbell here. So here's wide, pull back my shoulder blades, look straight, neutral neck. And again, I'll go wider. Inhale as I hinge. Reach back, and then up. And then level 3, I call it a W. Pretend you have a bar or a dowel, and I want the dowel like a lap pull down to go to the base of my neck. So I have a W. Once I'm blocked in, my shoulder blades are pinched. Inhale, I lean forward. 3, 2, 1. Then I come back up. I go a little wider. I reset. Hip hinge, right back, 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 back. That's the exercise. And where you should never feel it is your lower back.